Boom. And then 3.
Hello everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us. We have some very exciting things to talk about today. We have some new machines to show you, or I guess one main machine. Next week is Bernina University, and we will be attending to get all of the new fun information for you so we can bring it back and let you all know what's going on. They have a new model that they're going to be releasing, so this time next week we'll be able to announce the new model. We also get to show you right now one of the new machines that is coming soon. And Kathy is here to talk about it a little bit. She's going to share some fun information. So I'll let Kathy kind of give you the little rundown real quick about this lovely machine.
So, what could be better for all of us cave lovers? Cave combined with the beautiful Bernina 570. So you get this gorgeous faceplate with all the cave design, and you get the reliable, strong, beautiful 570 with its great features like the dual feed, the extra large bobbin. It comes with the new SDT embroidery module, which goes faster and quieter, and it also has Bernina Cave's decorative stitches, and it also has Cave embroidery stitches that are built right into the machine. As your gift with purchase with it, you get this beautiful dust cover, plus you get a Cave trolley so that it's an easy machine to take to classes, to take to sewing days with friends, to take to retreats. So come on in and have a sew on her. You'll just see she hums along beautifully, and you'll be sold like I am. Thank you.
Wonderful. We're so excited about this one. It really is beautiful, and all of these stitches are gorgeous. So super excited about that. So as Kathy said, definitely stop by, take a look. I believe you can pre-order them, so you can come on in, test it out, and get a start on that. So very excited about that one. It is gorgeous in person. That faceplate is just the most beautiful blue. So yeah, we're really excited about that one. So yeah, next week we'll have a little bit more information from Bernina University to share with you. So look forward to that. Okay, and we will just go ahead and jump into the rest of our little tour today. We'll start out with all of our patriotic stuff. So starting today and going through, I think we're gonna have it go through the 4th of July. All of our patriotic stuff is going to be 20% off, and that includes not just fabric, some other things as well. So we've got all of this gorgeous patriotic fabric. All of this is going to be 20% off. We've got lots of pre-cuts. Those will be as well. Just lots of good stuff, including this gorgeous tiling scene that you see right behind me. This is the Summer Glory design by OESD. We just finished this one. Treasure brought it in. It is just absolutely gorgeous. We have the design for it here, the pattern, as well as the thread kit that you would need for this one, and this will also be 20% off. So very excited. It is so vivid and just gorgeous colors, so very excited about that one. Wanted to show that one off because I bet they're going to sell pretty quickly. Okay, so you've seen all of the fabric that's going to be on sale through here. We also are doing some of our kits as well. So we've got some patriotic kits that are going to be on sale. They're hanging up right up here actually, so you can take a look at those. We've got Liberty, which was the block of the month. That one's 20% off. We've got Confetti, which is a wonderful kit composed of mostly pre-cuts, so it's really easy to put together. And it's more of a modern design, which is pretty cool. And then we also have the Urban Deco Vintage Spirit quilt, which is using those lovely boutiques in those patriotic designs. also have this wonderful quilt here that is also going to be 20% off. Very cool. It's got that nice panel in the middle there with the red truck, and then some designs around the center there. So this one is great. This one's a kit, and you'll be able to get this one 20% off. So definitely stop by and pick one of these up because it'll go together really quickly, and it's just a gorgeous quilt. Okay, so 20% off All Patriotic. Very excited about that. Something else that we're very excited, we do this every year. We are doing our Quilts of Valor display. So we've got all of these lovely quilts hanging up here that you can vote on your favorite. You can see in the corner there. We've got numbers on the bottom, and we've got a voting place up front for you, so you can write on a piece of paper which one is your favorite. This is a fun thing that we do every year. We love to support Quilts of Valor. They do wonderful work. We have lots of people in the Spokane Valley area, Spokane section of Quilts of Valor that have donated so many quilts to veterans that really need them. We love to do it as a way to thank them for their service, and just, you know, quilts are a source of comfort, and we just love to you know, give back that as well. So very excited about those. We've got all of these gorgeous quilts hanging up here, so definitely come on in, support them, and let us know which one is your favorite, because they actually are, they're all so gorgeous and they're very exciting. So come on by and give them some support. I'm sure everyone would love that. Okay, so then getting into more of the fabric, the new fabric that we have this one right here, which is a very cool and quirky fabric collection. This one is Eastland by RB Studios. It kind of has like a mod sort of look to it, but you've got some of those other sort of florals and paisleys thrown in there, so it's a very quirky, eclectic line. Definitely some interesting colors going on, so this one would be super cool in many different quilts. Okay, and then right here on the end, this one we're also very excited about. This one is Rancho Relaxo from Andover. It is a very cool, like, mid-century modern design with these soft pastels. We've got most of the line here. We will be doing a kit, a really cool kit using a Cotton and Joy pattern, using this collection of fabric. So you can keep an eye out for that. When that's all finished, we'll be able to show you the kit, and you can snatch that one up as well. This line is just so cool. We had to do something fun with it, so keep an eye out for that one. But for now, most of the fabrics are on the floor there right here. Okay, and another collection that we just brought out is this one right here. It's The Estate. It's by Paintbrush Studios. The whole thing is all in this really gorgeous sort of steely blue color. Kind of starts out light and works its way to a darker kind of almost steel blue there. And the whole thing are just all of these different lovely mosaic kind of motifs. So lots of different pattern options. This one is very nice because while they're all very different prints, they all feel very cohesive. So you could kind of do something scrappy with it and still sort of keep it modern and cohesive, which is very cool. So love this one. Paintbrush has a really nice feeling fabric, so I always love to use these ones. I'm just gonna stop right over here by this lovely little pattern rack. I just wanted to mention that we got a couple more colors of the waxed canvas in. So this really nice gold color and also this gorgeous chocolate brown. these ones. We also got a couple new patterns in. So this buckthorn backpack and tote, you can do this one in 2 ways. You can either do it in just a little tote form, or you can do it and wear it as a backpack as well, which is super cool. I would love to see the waxed canvas used in that pattern. I think it would be super cool. We also have the Pepin tote here, which you can see they also used a waxed canvas. It just is a very nice, just a classic sort of style tote that I think would work really well for just everyday use, and just looks really nice and would also work really well using either one of these. I would love to see it in this brown color. I think that would be perfect. Okay, and then we're gonna make a little loop right through here. This is where we've got all of our flannels right now. We just restocked some of our basics in flannel. So we've got the canvas by Northcott through here. So we've got just a more mix of some basic flannels in through there. And another flannel that we just got in that we're very excited about is this one right down here. It's just this one box, all of these guys. This one is Wonderland. It's from the Eclectic Elements collection from Tim Holtz, but it's in flannel. So lots of really nice sort of wintry, Christmassy prints. I love the text here, the typewriter text. That one is really neat. And then this one is kind of the main print. You've got all of these sort of hodgepodge Christmas elements throughout here. This one would work really nicely, I think, for a main print. I'm going to show you here in a minute one of our new, our loved, very well loved pattern. We have a new kit, and I think the pattern would work really well in this also. So I'm going to go right back over here and show you that one. That way it's fresh in your mind and you can get a good idea. So this one right here uses our Kalinda pattern. So you can see you've got just like a simple little 4-patch and then a larger block here. So this one is in a cute little kids print. It's Hello Sunbeam by Wilmington Prints. And we do have it in kit form. So it's right here. So you've got all of the fat quarters that are necessary for it, and then the accent and the binding. So it's a perfect, cute little quilt. This is the pattern here. It's one of our little postcard patterns. We really love this one. It works so well. This is the one I was saying would work really nicely for that flannel fabric over there. I think if you were to use the main print as these larger blocks, then just mix in all of those other fun ones, that would be great. But this one is nice because we have it all in a little kit for you. So you can just pick this one up and it goes together really fast and it turns into this gorgeous little kids quilt. Okay, so now we'll just head right back over here. We're gonna sneak back this way. Got some stuff here. And then right on the end here, we've got this wonderful fall fabric from Wilmington Prints. This is Autumn Lights. There is a free pattern that goes with this one. So you can take a look at that, and then it also has the border print, which is really neat. So this one's kind of perfect if you just want kind of more of like a traditional fall fabric. Maybe you want to do some placemats or a little table runner. This would be a really cute line to use maybe for like a cute little Thanksgiving display. You could make a whole little set and have your table look really nice. So this one is gorgeous. Love these colors. So super excited about that one. Okay, and now we're gonna head up to the front counter here. We've got a new Christmas line to show you, which we're very excited about. This one is Good News and Great Joy. This is from the designer Fancy That Design House. It's from Moda, so you know we've got all of the little fun things that come along with that, like these pre-cuts here. The line itself is in all of these sort of more modern colors, but you've got these traditional elements. So like these little birds on here with the little decorative line work, the little angels, kind of reminds me of the ones on the Christmas tree. So it's kind of a fun little mix of prints. So you've got the pre-cuts, you've got layer cakes, charm packs, jelly rolls. And then you also have this gorgeous panel here. All of these different blocks that you could cut up and use in different ways. You could use them in quilts, you could make little pillows, lots of options. And then right here on the bottom, you can see they give you these little sections that you can cut out and turn into ornaments, which I think is such a cute idea. I love the idea of fabric ornaments too. If you have, you know, kids or animals that like to get into the tree, these soft little ornaments are perfect for that. They're gonna be soft and unbreakable. So this one is very cool. We're excited about that. We're still bringing lots of Christmas out. So we're just, as we kind of work it through, we'll let you know which ones we are getting in, and then that way you can kind of keep up to date with all of the new Christmas that we're having here. So lots more to come. Okay, and that brings us to the end of our little fabric tour. I'll just give you a couple reminders. Remember to check back next week after we come back from Bernina University to get all the updates from that, as well as maybe some more information about the lovely cave machine that you saw over there. Remember to stop by and vote for your favorite Quilt of Valor quilt. We've got lots of wonderful, beautiful patriotic quilts up here. So come vote for your favorite. You still have time. We're doing that through, I believe, the 4th of July. And while that's going, also all of our patriotic fabric up front will be 20% off. So definitely stop by. Lots of good reasons to do so, and we just love having you here. So thank you so much for joining us this morning. We hope you saw all of the lovely things. Maybe you could let us know what your favorite thing was in the comments. We always love to hear what y'all are interested in. But definitely tune in next week and we'll have more. We wanted to also just let you know that we started doing another live stream later in the day on Wednesday. So it'll be at 4 p.m. on the Whatnot app. So if you haven't heard, we are doing another live stream on this app. You can go onto our website and see all of the information about how to download it and get on there, kind of how it works, to give you a good idea of how it works. Unlike these live streams, when you watch the live stream on the Whatnot app, will actually give you the opportunity to purchase what you see. So we'll show you kits, we'll show you patterns, lots of new things, and it's super easy. You see something that you like to just go ahead and purchase it then and there, and then we'll have it shipped to you. So we love that because we know that everybody sees lots of fun stuff on here and maybe doesn't live super close to the store itself. So it's a great way if you live out of town to kind of get involved. So we love that. So definitely hop onto our website to see how to download that, or you can just go into your app store and look up Whatnot and you'll find it there. So yeah, definitely sign up and join us. We'll be on there later today at 4 p.m. So I'll say goodbye to you this morning, and hopefully I'll see you later this afternoon. Thank you. Bye.